In this video we are going to have a brief look at expressions, and I'm going to do this by looking at cooking a chicken. Apologies to all you vegetarians and vegans out there. Now, the instructions for cooking a chicken are to allow 45 minutes per kilogram plus 20 minutes. So, if we have a 2 kilogram chicken, then that's 2 multiplied by 45 add 20, which is equal to 110 minutes. If we had a 3 kilogram chicken, then that would be 3 multiplied by 45 add 20, which is equal to 155 minutes. And if we have a 4 kilogram chicken, then it's 4 multiplied by 45 add 20, which is equal to 200 minutes. So, for cooking a chicken, we have a rule which describes the situation, and this is the weight multiplied by 45 add 20. And from this we can create an expression. In each of these calculations, the one thing that is changing is the weight of the chicken, and we refer to this as the variable. Now, for a variable in mathematics, we use a letter. Now, I'm going to use the letter W for weight, but you can use any letter you choose, although it's best to avoid the letter O as it might get confused with naught. So, replacing the weight with the letter W, we have W multiplied by 45 add 20, which we can write in a more mathematically sophisticated way as 45W add 20. So here we have an expression. And just to introduce some other mathematical language to describe the elements of this expression, we have two terms and an operator, which in this case is an addition. We have our variable, W. Now the 45 can be referred to as the coefficient of W, which is a multiplier of the variable W. So think of it as 45 lots of W. The term 20 can also be referred to as the constant, because it doesn't change. 20 is 20 after all. Now we can take this idea forward. So for example, write an expression for the following. A number is multiplied by 2, and then 5 is subtracted. So we use a letter for the unknown number. Let's use the letter A. So we have A multiplied by 2 subtract 5, which we can write as 2A subtract 5. Similarly, describe in words the following expression. A number which is divided by 7 and then 4 is added. Now, understanding what an expression means and being able to describe an expression in words is especially helpful when getting to grips with equations, which I will look at in another video. But here's a brief introduction to what an expression is. But that's it for now, and thank you for watching.